Simplifying my life has taught me a lot and transformed my life in many ways. Simple living helps you to clear your mind, which enables you to see things with better awareness and from different perspectives. We are creatures of habit, and if we don't have conscious goals, we will just pursue things that will make our life easy and comfortable now, even if those choices wouldn't be so good for us in the long run. And without conscious systems, we will adopt the habits, beliefs, and opinions of those around us. So we will become like everyone else. While I was looking around and observing people, observing the world, and at the same time thinking about my different possible realities of the future, I realized that I actually don't want to end up like everyone else. Not because I wanted to be somehow better than them, so for like ego reasons, but just because the common life choices and lifestyle just didn't seem to fit me and what I want. So basically, wake up, hit snooze 3 times, scroll social media so that you don't fall asleep again, sit in traffic, then 8 to 10 hours of work that is most likely either too stressful or too boring because there's no challenge, sit in traffic again, escape reality by watching TV shows, pass out, repeat, and a few years later wonder where all that time went. I actually just got a reminder of this last week when a person that I know had to go to the emergency room for like heart problems and chest pain, and all that was because of stress, because of work, pushing yourself too much because you have to do more, you have to produce that quality constantly. And it was a good reminder for me that I do not want to end up that way. But to be clear, this is not just about work. That is one part of it. But this is about living a life that doesn't inspire you, having too many things that don't serve you, not living a life that you want. You can work in your dream job and still feel lost and stressed if you are not keeping things balanced. The second thing that I learned is that you can live with less. It might seem hard now because you are used to living certain way or having certain things in your life, but you can also get used to other things. We are very good to adapt. I have realized this, for example, with possessions, that I don't own so many things anymore, and I'm completely fine with that. But if you told me a few years ago that you will not own so many things, then I would feel so stressed and anxious. But now I'm completely adapted to that and I'm fine. Actually, I'm even more fine than I was back then, which is actually the point here, that the less dependency and clutter I had in my life, the more peaceful I became. And what helped me in this process was changing a habit to something else. So for example, stopping shopping and starting decluttering, or stopping to scroll your phone and start reading. So replacing habits helps you in that smooth transition. The third thing I realized that simplifying life actually helps the collective. So your family, your friends, your community, or even the society. Because when you have a calmer mind and you feel better, you have the resources so that you can help others and actually make an impact. I realized that the tools, habits, and mindsets that help me to create a more meaningful and peaceful life could help others as well. So last year I created these multiple questionnaires and polls to understand you better. What challenges do you, my subscribers, have in your life, and what aspirations do you have? And the answers showed pretty clear pattern. There's this general feeling of overwhelm, having to do so much and be so much, and then the desire to just live a simpler and more calm life. During this same time, in this same journey, I actually had the opportunity to step on a stage here in my city and talk about this topic. So simplifying life. It was in this business environment full of people who are very like business minded, and I don't know if they're super hustle minded. I didn't go so deep into one-on-one with these people, but very much I was like the black sheep in that event. But it went super well and the response was really good. People liked what I had to say. And this gave me a lot of inspiration and courage and confidence. So I spent weeks after that to just reflect on my own journey of all the lessons I had learned, all the tools that I have used, and then piece together all the elements to create a framework that could help anyone simplify life in this modern world. I then ran a 6-week test with 16 of you guys, my amazing subscribers, to see if it actually works. And the results and feedback were amazing. The learning experience was valued at 9.6 out of 10. Of course, I still wanted to improve to make a bigger impact and long-lasting changes to simplify your life. So based on the feedback, I created a lot of different exercises and so many of these PDF guides to go even deeper. Now is the time to finally present to you the outcome of packaging thousands of hours of studying, experimenting, failing and succeeding during multiple years of my life. I'm so proud to introduce you to Simple Life Blueprint. The online course follows a step-by-step framework. It dives deep into the world of simplifying life, guiding you throughout the entire journey, from mastering the simple living mindset to designing and creating a simpler life. You will receive detailed video lessons, worksheets, guides and exercises, and also access to our Simple Living Society Discord group. I believe having a community like this is super important because it helps you to stay inspired and motivated and also accountable. I believe you are much more likely to make long-lasting changes when you are surrounded by like-minded people who are exactly in the same journey as you are. You will also get access to bonus materials like the Limiting Beliefs Workbook, which is designed to help you overcome any subconscious beliefs that might hold you back from simplifying your life. Frugal Living Game Plan, which of course helps you to simplify the financial area of your life and learn the essential things to start living more frugally. Then Simplified Digital Life, a lesson that equips you with all the skills and tools needed to navigate the digital and technological world with more intention. And then a very important one for many, the Social Pressure Framework, which helps you to handle the societal expectations you might face when you are simplifying and making changes in your life. And it gives you tools to stay true to your own path, whatever that will look like for you. If you're interested in simplifying life, I truly believe that this course and the community that we are building can help you massively. Click the link below and use the code SIMPLE25 to get 25% off until the end of this week. For all the people that are here, I want to say thank you. Without you, I couldn't have done any of this. Your contribution has been very, very important here. Thank you again so much, and remember to stay kind and meaningful in your own beautiful journey. Click the link below and go to check out the course.